Him sneezing away his voice last night was hilarious. He sneezed and couldn't talk anymore after. Sneezed like 16 times and his voice was gone. Huh. It's kind of insane. I don't know how normal that is.
Can you sneeze and lose your voice? Yes, you can lose your voice after sneezing, primarily because the intense, violent force of a sneeze can irritate, strain, or cause inflammation in the larynx.
Inflammation.
Cords. While not common, it also frequently is associated with an underlying viral infection. Oh,
could it be on top?
fuck!
Well, let's go check up top.
Top of the field depot?
Maybe.
Am I sick?
Maybe, perchance.
Guys, I'm not kidding. I just sneezed and my voice is gone.
My voice.
I didn't even know this was possible. What the fuck is happening to me?
You're gonna sneeze your voice.
Dude, I just Googled it and it's
You're
real.
not real.
Hutch is the oldest young guy that I know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?